This painting is Peace Bird Died. I made this painting from fragments of carved wood. The peace bird is white because white light contains all colors combined. I made the wings many colors to represent different countries. I want to say that countries must all work together for peace. I tied with the hunting, it is another idea. So the hunters, it is the country's leader. If they kill the peace bird, they cannot have the peace. The bullets kill the peace bird, but the bullet holes are different colors. I want to show that every country at some time breaks the peace. I made this painting to warn the people. The body of the peace bird is door. It is a symbol, an opening to a better world, but the door stays closed because many leaders grab power. They start a war and destroy the peace. We can never know when war be happen. The war, it depends the leader in the world. What are they thinking and what are they doing? My peace bird lies in a deep red pool of blood. But it's not only killing the peace bird, it is killing the people, the human. There are many faces that it is died. The leaders don't die, it is the people who lose their lives. I use dissolve technique to make the faces of millions of innocent people who died in wars when the leaders broke the peace. The war, it is horrible. We need peace in the world.